party. I said, who? I said, who? I said, who's gonna come to my party? Hello, lovies. It's Jessica Davis with Distant Glamour, and I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite makeup products. Boom! This mascara by Revlon. It's called Color Stay Overtime. Don't get me wrong, I have tons of amazing products I use in my kit. I use mostly prestige makeup. NARS, Bobbi Brown. I have tons of MAC because I worked for the company for like a decade. I use a little bit of Lancome, a little Shumora. They're all amazing. I've even used all of their mascaras, and they're good stuff too. But this mascara, it's in a whole nother realm. It gives great volume, lots of length, and it's a pretty superb mascara. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake. I don't have to worry about mascara bleeding down my face. It's kind of embarrassing, and it's not a good look. So Revlon, you're welcome. You guys definitely try this out. The best thing about this mascara is it's like $7 compared to $15 to $30 mascara in Nordstrom's. Yeah. That's what I thought. Make sure you check it out. I think you'll love it. So make sure you subscribe. Check me out on Facebook as well as www.distantglamour.com. That's it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you later. Let's get glamorous. Let's get glamorous.